Hey everyone, it's Shannon, and I am in the car today waiting for my daughter to be finished with her piano lesson. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Toyota. Recently, I had the chance to spend some time in San Antonio, Texas, and tour the Toyota motor manufacturing plant down there. That was a really cool experience. I've never been to an automobile manufacturing plant before. They make Tacomas and Tundras there. I'm not sure. I think that might be it, but all the details will be in the blog post. They didn't let us take video, sadly, but they did supply us with some pictures that I'm gonna weave into this video and give you a little snapshot. One of the cool things we did at the plant was they explained how you can't wear certain chemicals, like in your makeup and deodorant and things like that. So they had me rub my face and then rub this piece of metal, kind of. Then they spray painted the metal and you saw like all this like bubbling up like acid, you know? So it was the chemicals in the makeup reacting with the automobile paint, you know, which I thought was really fascinating. I so wish I had that on video. The other thing I got to do in San Antonio is to test drive some brand new Toyotas. Now I love Toyota. See, I've got a Toyota 4Runner, had one for probably more than 10 years. Not the same one. This is a 2009. It has 141,000 miles on it and it's still going strong. It's a great car. I think I drove a Tundra, a Tacoma, a Corolla, and the Sienna minivan. Now I don't like minivans, but let me just show you my shock and awe over this Sienna minivan. Check it out. All right, next I'm in a Toyota Sienna. Okay, I'm not a fan of minivans, but you know, this is a driving event and I figure I'll try it. And I'm really surprised. You should see, I'm going to show you the beautiful design in this minivan. I mean, it's unbelievable. All right, let's start with this display. All right, just 2 dials. Not complicated. I love that it shows you the direction you're going in, fuel gauge, speed, everything's easy to see. Yes, it is 102 degrees in San Antonio, Texas today, but I'm in an air-conditioned car driving around. So let's move on. The dashboard is just, oh my God, it's beautiful. Look at this. The gear shift is up here. It's right next to the steering wheel, which leaves you so much room down here for your purse. Okay, my kids are older, they like to sit in the front seat and there's never anywhere for my purse. Usually I have a much bigger purse, okay, when I'm just like, you know, carting people around in my mom life. So this space down here is seriously invaluable. Really nice size cup holders. Okay, this is a really big bottle. This didn't fit in the Tundra cup holder. And you know, you can see it's indented in the bottom, so it is adjustable. It's not really adjustable, but it will fit and hold various size cups and bottles. And the console is a little bit lower. It's not that high, but you've got this nice armrest. Let me move back a little bit. You've got this armrest here, which is great. Console's a good size. And then you have the captain's chairs and lots of other awesome space in the back. Kind of hard to see, but I've got one of the seats folded down in the back just to see how much space was back there. 2 sunroofs. There's also a DVD player here, but I'm not as interested in that. What I just really love the most is how beautiful the design is in the front of this Sienna. I mean, look at that blue and silver. It's so nice. You know, it's just nice to look at. And I love the gear shift up here, and I super love all this space for the purse. So yeah, big win on the Sienna minivan. I'm pretty shocked. So San Antonio seems like a super fun city. I didn't get a ton of time to explore, but we went on a little river cruise. We checked out the Riverwalk, and we did get to drive the Toyotas around the city. So I explored a little bit, and I drove by the Alamo, which was pretty cool. I wish I could have gone in, but here, check it out. I'm test driving a Toyota Tundra right now. This truck is awesome. My first time driving a pickup truck, and I love it. So there's the Alamo. It's so tiny. Get a better look at it up here. There it is. Remember the Alamo. So you can tell I really had fun driving these Toyotas and checking out San Antonio and the Alamo. And speaking of Toyotas, I thought this would be a great time to just give you a little more detail about what I drive. As I said, I drive a 2009 Toyota 4Runner, but it's bare bones. And one of the problems with with writing about new cars and being able to test drive new cars is that you get new car envy, like really bad. My car does not have heated seats or seat coolers, seat warmers or seat coolers, I guess is what they're called. It doesn't have park assist, it doesn't have lane assist, it doesn't have adaptive cruise control, it doesn't have navigation, it doesn't have a rear backup camera. You know, there isn't like dual zone temperature. You know, there's no sunroof. There's no little button in the back hatch where I can just press a button and have it close. You know, like my life is so hard. I have to actually pull the hatch down and close it. I can't run my foot under the bottom of the car and open it up when I want to put my groceries in the back. Yeah, so my life is tough. But this car does have a steering wheel, and you know, it's a great car, so I'm just kind of kidding around, but you know, my next car, I really want some of the bells and whistles. But wait, let me show you this one thing that my Toyota 4Runner has that's so awesome. It's got a CD player. You know, everybody uses CDs. This is essential in a car, right? Right? CD player? Yeah.